Assalamu alaikum, marhaban bikum, namaste, welcome all. Here we are gonna learn Arabic in a very simplified way, and as this is our first video, I'm gonna keep the things very basic. So I'm gonna start from the beginning with the sounds. Why I'm saying sounds? Because we are gonna do the same way how we do it in English. Okay, we are learning sounds, not the letters, right? So we are gonna do the same in Arabic too. Okay, so here you go. These are all alphabets, and I try to give the English sounds to make it more easier for you to understand, and I hope you're getting that. So let's have a look on the screen. Some of the letters have the caps and some of them looks different how you have learned earlier. So we'll discuss it in detail, okay? So let's start. As your first sound, ah. It's just very simple, basic ah. Why I'm saying this? Because there's one more letter which have the same sound. So that's why I don't want you to get confused. So remember, this is very basic, just ah, okay? Ah. The next sound, b, b, b. Next, t, t, t. Next, th, th, th. Next, j, j, j. Next, next, h, h, h. Next, d, d. Not d in a dog, d as the article the. The sun, the moon, the. Okay? Th, th. I want you to notice here something. These two sounds are almost similar. So just remember that these two sounds have the same sound. Th, th, th. Next, r, r. Z, z. Next, s, s, s. Next, sh, sh. Next, oh, here comes the tricky sound. See, this is the word saw. I saw. I saw the movie. I saw the moon. So this is saw, okay? To the word saw, just add a whistle. Saw. I saw. So this is saw, okay? Not saw. This is saw. 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 Can you hear my whistle? Saw. Saw. Okay? Next, ba. To produce this sound, your tip of the tongue should touch the upper right jaw or else the left upper jaw. Okay? Ba, ba, ba. Practice with me. Ba, ba. These sounds needs a little practice, okay? If you want to sound like a local, you have to practice these sounds. Next, ta, ta. So here these two are different, okay? Pretty different. See here, the first is th, th, and this is ta, ta, ta. Next, tha, tha. Next, so here you go. I have told you earlier that there's one more sound with the ah. So see, this is that sound. The first is ah, very basic ah, but here the second one is r. It's r. Okay. Next, r, r, r. The cap sound should come from your throat. See, this letter have a cap, so that means this comes from your throat. Ra, ra. Next, f, f. Next, qa. Oh, here you go. The toughest sound in my learning journey, I think so. I have taken minimum 5 days to learn this sound. So it's not easy. It's need a practice, okay? And how to produce this sound? So you need to gulp. See, the gulping sound. From there, you have to take it out. Caw, 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 caw. Okay, got it? Next, k, very basic k. Next, l. Next, m. Next, n. Next, v. Next, h. And again, this is the cap letter. Cap letters should come from your throat, right? So bass sound, increase your bass. H, 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 h. Next, ah. This is the same like ah. Okay, these two are similar sounds. Okay, only the shapes are different, but they are the same. Next, yeah, yeah, yeah. From these letters I have taken 5 shapes which looks almost same. Look at the shapes. They are almost same, just they are differing in their dots. So the first letter b have 1 dot down, the second letter th have 2 dots up, third letter th have 3 dots up, n have 1 dot up, and y have 2 dots down. So same shape but differing in their dots. I want to remember the dots, how many dots each letter have, so that it will be easier for you to remember. Okay, so I'm gonna end this class here. We'll continue the same in the next section. Bye. Ma salama.